Note: if the size of the earbud tips does not match the size of your ear canals or the headset is not worn properly in your ears, you may not obtain the correct sound qualities or call performance. Change the earbud tips to ones that fit more snugly in your ear. Voice clarifying circuitry. Product note: if you are not obtaining the correct sound performance, or struggling to hear with the ear tips, please adjust the ear tip ends so they fit better in the ear canal. Ultra-lightweight wireless headset, infrared technology. Background noise reducing foam ear tips. Twice the power with 120 decibels. Audio frequency response is 20 to 20,000 Hz. Compatible with TV ears 5023 and 30 systems. Maximum operating distance 26 to 33 feet, 8 to 10 meter. No charger or transmitter included. Top reviews from the United States. They're great. I am truly a night owl and I can watch TV in the wee hours with TV volume turned to 0 in the ears. Turned as loud as I want. Love it. My wife loves these. We have gone through 2 of these. They last a couple of years at least.